What is the best employee monitoring software for small businesses? Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from Wolfeye.de, and in this video, I will I will tell you the best monitoring software for small businesses and why. And the best software is a software called Wolfeye Remote Screen that you can download from Wolfeye.de here on our website, Wolfeye Remote Screen. Why? Because you install it on each of your employees' computer. And basically, I don't know if you can recognize this is what you will get. You will get a link to a website where you will see all the live screens of each of your employees in one page. In one, you will see it with your browser. In one browser page, you will see all the live computer screens for each of your employees' computer. This screenshot here shows you how it is meant. If I was not able to explain it good enough, write me an email. We have here, you see the contact information, email and WhatsApp, and I will try to explain it better. So this is what you will get. Um, I said you will see all the screens in one page on the under a link, so you will be able to see it from any browser in the world. For example, using your smartphone or also using your laptop, using your other computer. You basically only need to install this software on each of your employees' computer to contact us, and we set everything else up for you, like for example password protection, and this dashboard has to be enabled once you have installed the software on you first install it on each of the employees computers. You then send us an email with each of the links created by the program, and we then enable the dashboard. That's and the password protection. That's the steps that have to be done. Very easy, basically. So you can install it on one of your computers or on each of your employees' computers. You can try it by yourself, but also you can write us a WhatsApp and schedule a Google Meet, and we will guide you through the installation process. But we also have a tutorial here that explains you in a 9 minutes video how to do it by yourself. You will be able to do it. It's very easy to do. And here in downloads, you can download it for free and use it within a trial period. Should you need more days for testing, just write us an email, contact us, a WhatsApp, call us. That should be no problem at all. How does it work? Basically like this: you download the application, and you run it, taking into account the video tutorial that I just mentioned. So please watch the tutorial, because you have to do an antivirus exception on your antivirus program. Watch the tutorial. But here I just show you how it works. You open the application and this control window appears, and you basically only need to hit two buttons. The first is the share screen button, and you install this, of course, on each of your employees' computer. Yeah, you hit the green button, and it creates a link. This link you have to memorize, write down, or send it here with this gray button to your email address. Yeah, and that is already sharing the screen. After you hit the green button, it's already sharing the screen, the software. So you open this link. This is a URL on any browser, on your smartphone, on any other computer. You see the live screen of this computer. And the second button you must hit is this blue button. I don't know, is this is blue that says stealth mode. You hit it, and the software goes into stealth mode. It disappears, it hides, but continues to run in the background. That's basically it. And it's set up for this computer. You go to your next employee's computer and do the same thing, to the next and do the same thing, and then just contact us, and we set up this dashboard for you that at the end you will see all the screens at the same time. So I hope this helps. I'm happy to hear from you. Write me a WhatsApp, schedule a Google Meet, and I will be happy to guide you through installation, or to answer any question that you might have, or to give you a presentation. I can install it on my computer, give you these links so that you can see the live screen of my computer. Um, I hope this helps.